What is mechanical repair coverage? Mechanical repair coverage is designed to help protect from covered vehicle repair costs. It's different than your regular car insurance. Here's how it works. You rely on a smooth-running vehicle to keep your busy life moving forward. And car troubles with big repair bills can slow you down. And your regular car insurance usually doesn't cover repairs to parts like the engine and transmission when they wear out. And these can be expensive to repair or replace. That's where mechanical repair coverage or mechanical breakdown insurance could help. Mechanical repair coverage helps cover repairs made by a mechanic for things like engine, transmission, and electrical system failures. It could help minimize big repair bills and reduce your out-of-pocket expenses. Prepare for possible breakdowns and help protect your wallet with mechanical repair coverage. Explore more at TruStage.com.